Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix account not verified in Etoro. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. The first thing that you need to verify guys and to fix as a solution for this problem is to verify your email. In case you haven't signed up to your account using Gmail, as I will show you here, like this method, and use like email username password, the normal method, then you will need to verify your email. So to do that, you simply have to create your account, then go to Gmail, check your inbox for any messages from Etoro, and simply go ahead and click on the link that will give you for verifying your email. This is step number one. To verify another thing, which is basically another important thing within your account, is your phone number. You would need to go to your account, sign in, go to the settings, and simply head up to your account settings. Go to the down here, just below the password, and click on phone on add button next to it. And here write down your phone, and of course you need to fulfill this information from first name, middle name, last name, mail, etc. and the date of birth. Once you have gone through this, you will need to put your phone number and then they will send you a code where you have to write it down in the website. In case you haven't received it, then try to check your spam folder within the SMS, and after you write it down, then it goes for the verification of your identity. Your account identity is very important, so to verify it, you're simply gonna need yourself an identity. So get yourself either a passport or driver license or ID card, and of course a picture of yourself so you can send them both to them. Make sure they have good date, good quality, and they are not expired. And just by following these steps, guys, you will not have a problem anymore with accounts being not verified, and it should be fixed, and your account should be verified from now on. And yeah, that was it for today's video. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.